Stocktake using Dynamics Additions Handheld for warehousing. In order to allow paperless stocktake from a handheld device, we have added a new journal in NAV called Mobile Warehouse Physical Inventory Journal. This is very similar to standard NAV functionality, but includes two new fields. Firstly, you need to calculate the inventory. Here I will do this for just one item, LS100. And I'll do it for within the white warehouse. The system then populates two lines where it believes the stock is currently held and the quantities that are showing in the system. We have two new fields in this journal. Firstly, Assign Device User allows you to highlight lines and then assign those lines to a device user for them to be completed. On the right, the fact box lists the lines not yet assigned to a user. The drop down for this new field lists the device users, so I will choose Martin. We can then also filter further, for example, to just specific bins or particular zones. I say OK, and they will then show as assigned to Martin. The fact box on the right is now blank, as all of the lines available have been assigned to a user. The other new field is Count Status. Here both lines show as needs counting. The other statuses here could show as either count in progress or counted. So now if I go to the handheld device and into the internal section, I see that there are two lines to count. I go into the physical inventory function and it directs me to the first physical bin location and the item to be counted. The quantity calculator field shows the amount the system thinks is actually there. However, displaying this is optional, as you may not want to tell the user how many we think are in the system. So I scan the racking label in the warehouse to confirm where I'm counting. I scan the item to confirm the item I'm counting, and then I enter the quantity I've counted, which is 22. I can then review my details before posting the count. Over in NAV, if I refresh the page, we can see that the first line now shows a status of counted and a physical inventory of 22. So if I remove the second line that's not been counted, I can then register this journal and it will update the values in the system.